In a world where time has moved on, one creature stands as a symbol of what once was and what could have been. Meet the dodo. Once native to the remote island of Mauritius, this flightless bird lived peacefully among dense forests and warm coastal winds until it vanished in the 1600s, never to be seen again. But what if we brought it back? A child giggles as the dodo hops behind a rolling ball, gentle and playful. Not a predator, but a companion. Could the dodo have been a pet? Perhaps. Its calm demeanor and herbivorous diet might have made it the world's fluffiest backyard friend. Despite its comical look, the dodo wasn't foolish. It adapted. It learned. It survived in harmony with its world until humans arrived. What it lacked in speed, it made up for in instinct, using its strong beak to forage and its size to stand its ground. Imagine a flock of dodos roaming the cliffs at dawn, their cries echoing through the jungle canopy, announcing their presence to a world that had forgotten them. Now, they return, not in feathers but in pixels and dreams. Let this bird remind us, extinction is not the end of memory, nor imagination. With AI, we breathe new life into forgotten creatures, and perhaps